Jamie is building a porch, and I grabbed this post and we cut it into 3 pieces. One is 20 inches, one is 12, and one is 16. I'm going to start by painting the largest one in our Bowie by Wise Owl. The second one is in Republic Red. And as you can see, I'm putting a little water on this dry wood, and it's just giving my paint some mobility. And then the last one, I used white primer. Because it's wood, I wanted it to stay nice and white, and the primer will block that tannin from the wood. Once these all dry, then starting with the largest, I drilled a hole in the top of my post. I found this big spray from Hobby Lobby. It was $4.99. I put some glue inside the hole and put the spray inside. I went to the red one, did the same, drilled a hole, added some glue, and I found another spray that's a little smaller than the first and looks a little bit different, and I put that in the hole of the Republic Red. And then the white post, I found another spray. These are all together at Hobby Lobby in the July section, the 4th of July section. They were all together, and they were 3 different sizes and just a little different. I did have to cut the stem on each of them a little shorter so that they fit. And then I put all of them together and took some Dollar Tree rope. I wrapped about 3 times and then tied it on the side in a knot. And this is just going to give them the stability to stand on their own. I found this garland also at Hobby Lobby. I took the beads off. I just wanted the USA map and the tassel, and I'm going to glue them to the end of my ropes, one on one side and one on the other. And I glue them and then take the little bit of extra rope and weave it up the existing rope just so that it all looks like it was originally there. And then I did the same with the tassel. All the sprays were together at Hobby Lobby in the different sizes in the seasonal section, and I think this came out really cute. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitofancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitofancy.com. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.